African drum lessons. Today, I'm going to teach you the second class of Sofa Rhythm Dundun. The first beat for Agogo Bell is king, 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 king. Now let's try it. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. The second beat for Kinkini is open, open, close, open, open, close. Now let's try it on a drum. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's combine them, playing 4 times. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try again. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the end of the second class of Sofa Rhythm Dundun. Please remember to subscribe and also to hit the like button.